Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
So here also in these questions we have to find and correct the errors. First of all you will find the error and then you have to correct the errors. In the mathematical statements these are given to us. So in the first one if you see what is given to us, 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 5. So what they have done, they have just multiplied 4 with x. Is that correct? That is incorrect. So this is incorrect. What should happen? 4 should also be multiplied with 5 and the correct statement. Can you tell the correct one? Yes, it will be 4x minus 20. This 4 will get multiplied with each and every term inside the bracket. The second one, this see x into 3x plus 2, x into 3x plus 2. So what they have done, they have multiplied this x with 3x only and 2 as it is they have written. Will 2 be as it is written? No. X will also be multiplied with 2. So this is the incorrect statement and the correct statement is 3x square plus 2x. Right? This is the correct statement. Okay students, now the third one. We have given 2x plus 3y is equal to 5xy. Is this correct? No, this is incorrect because we cannot add the terms with different variables. These are unlike terms. We can't add them. Addition and subtraction can be done only of like terms. So these can't be added. So the answer will be, the correct statement will be 2x plus 3y only. We can't solve it further. This has to be this only. Okay, this can't be 5xy. Now the fourth part, if you do x plus 2x plus 3x and they're saying that it is equal to 5x. So if we add 3x plus 2x is making 5x. What about this one? This is 1x by default. Okay, whenever x is written, that is the coefficient is 1. So it is total 6x. This is the correct statement. 5x is incorrect statement. Got it? In the fifth one, we have 5y plus 2y is 7y and they are subtracting 7y and they are writing 0. But 5y plus 2y plus y is 8y. 8y minus 7y is y only. It is not equal to 0. So this is a wrong statement. This statement will be 8y minus 7y is equal to 0 and we will get y equals 0. Clear? This is the correct statement. This is the correct statement. This one is wrong because 5 plus 2 is 7 and plus 1y, that is 8y. 8y minus 7y is y, not equal to 0. Clear? So we should write that statement as equal to y. Okay, that means this complete should be equal to y. In the sixth one, we have 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x square. So if you observe here, they are adding 3 and 2, right? But they are multiplying x and x, writing x square. Two operations, that is completely wrong. Because these are like terms, we will add them. 3x plus 2x is 5x. So this is the correct statement. Instead of 5x square, we should have 5x. Clear these 6 questions? Let us go to another questions and try them. So in the 7th question, what is given to us? We are given 2x whole square plus 4 into 2x plus 7 and they're saying that this is equal to 2x square plus 8x plus 7. Is this correct? They have multiplied 4 with 2x. That is correctly done. 2x whole square, they're writing 2x square. That is wrong because 2x whole square means 2x into 2x and that gives us 4x square. So instead of it, what should come? 4x square plus 8x plus 7. So this is incorrect statement. This is the correct statement that we have to give. Okay. Now moving ahead, let us try question number 8. So in question number 8, just to see what we have been given, 2x whole square plus 5x and they're saying that this is equal to 4x plus 5x and which gives us 9x. Is it correct? 2x whole square, just see we did it. It is 4x square. It is not 4x. So the correct statement is 4x square plus 5x and we can't add them. So this is the correct statement. This is incorrect statement. Clear? Okay. 9th question now we are going to do. In the 9th we are given 3x plus 2 whole square is See, it is a plus b whole square, right? It should be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let us try it. So a square is 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 2 plus 2 whole square. So 3x whole square is square of 3 is 9, square of x is x square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12x plus 4. So what do we see? We see that here we were given 3x square, instead of it should be 9x square, instead of 6x it should be 12x, and this is the correct statement, this is the incorrect statement that is given to us. Got it? So like this, now we are able to identify after doing so many questions that these silly mistakes, these small mistakes should not be done. The exercise is specially for the purpose that you realize what are the silly mistakes or simple calculation errors that students do and lose the marks even after knowing the concept. So it's better to pay attention to these things. Okay, moving ahead. Again we have some question and it has 3 parts. It is saying that you have to substitute x as minus 3. What does it give you? So let us check if it gives 15 or not in the first part. A part is x square plus 5x plus 4. Let us put minus 3 in place of x. Minus 3 whole square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 4. So we will have 9 minus 15 plus 4. 9 and 4 is 13 minus 15. What do we get? Minus 2. But what are they saying here? It is 15. Just see, they are writing 5 into minus 3 and they are writing here 2. But we are not subtracting here. We are multiplying here. 5 and minus 3 are getting multiplied. So here minus 15 will come. Okay, not minus 2 or 2. Clear? So this is the mistake. Then the answer is minus 2. In the B part, we have x square minus 5x plus 4. So if we put minus 3 at minus 5 into minus 3 plus 4. So minus 3 whole square will be 9. And just see, they have written here minus 15. So minus and minus becomes plus. So we get plus 15 and plus 4. Right? So here when they write minus 15, that is wrong. This is the mistake done. So we will add them. So just see, 9 and 4 is 13, 13 and 15, 5 and 3, 8, 1 and 1, 2. So we get 28 as the answer, not 2. This is wrong. In the C part of the question, we have x square plus 5x. So instead of x, we will write minus 3 plus 5 into minus 3. We have 9 minus 15. Right? So from 15 if you subtract 9, here see what is the mistake done. The square of minus 3 they are writing minus 9. The square of positive or negative number is always positive. It cannot be negative. Minus 3 into minus 3 will give us plus 9. Okay, so we will subtract it. Subtract 9 from 15, you get 6. The sign will be of minus because 15 is greater here. Right? Clear? Again we have some questions. We have to find out the error and write down the correct statement. So in question number 11, we have been given y minus 3 whole square is equal to y square minus 9. So how are they operating? They have just done the square of y and 3. Does that ever happen? No. Y minus 3 whole square is equal to a minus b whole square, similar to a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A here is y, so y square minus 2 into y into 3 and plus 3 whole square. So we have y square minus 6y plus 9. So this is the correct statement. This is the incorrect statement. The reason is they have just done the square of both the terms. But this does not mean whenever we have a minus b whole square, we have done the identity. It is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Question number 12. They have z plus 5 whole square is equal to z square plus 25. Here also they have done the square of z and 5. That is completely wrong. What should be done? It is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So we get z square plus 10z plus 25. This is the correct statement. Right? You have to use the identities to solve it. Now the last question, that is 13. What are we given? 2a plus 3b into a minus b. So the answer that they have given is 2a square minus 3b square. So what they have done, they have multiplied 2a with a, but they have not multiplied 2a with b, right? Also they have multiplied 3b with b only. So does that happen that the first term gets multiplied with first and second gets multiplied with second? No, we have to multiply each term of the first binomial with all the terms of the second binomial, like 2a will get multiplied with a minus b, then 3b will also get multiplied with a minus b. So we get 2a square minus 2ab plus 3ab minus 3b square. We have 2a square. Now plus ab we will be left because minus 2ab plus 3ab is ab minus 3b square. This is the correct statement. This is incorrect. This is done wrongly. Fine. So you have to be very careful when you solve it, right? As I told you, this is mainly for the purpose that you identify what are the mistakes that can be done. Okay. Moving ahead, here is another question, a plus 4 and a plus 2. So what they have done, a is multiplied with a, they are writing a square. 4 is multiplied with 2, they are getting 8. That is wrong, right? What we will do, a will get multiplied with a plus 2 plus this 4 will get multiplied with a plus 2. A into a is a square plus 2a plus 4a plus 4 2s are 8. So we get a square plus 6a plus 8. This is the correct answer. This is wrong. Reason is here we are missing 6a. Right? This is a wrong way of doing it. That multiplying the first term with first and second with second. We never do that. Each term of one polynomial will get multiplied with each term of the second polynomial. Like a will get multiplied with a plus 2. 4 will get multiplied with a plus 2. Clear? Moving ahead, 15th question. A minus 4 and a minus 2. So they have multiplied a with a and 4 with 2. And then also they are writing minus at, that is completely wrong. The correct one will be a will get multiplied with a minus 2. Then minus 4 will get multiplied with a minus 2. We'll get a square minus 2a minus 4a plus 8. A square minus 6a plus 8. This is the correct answer. This is wrong way of solving it. The last one is 3x square plus 3x square upon 3x square. So when we divide them, they're writing the answer as 0. Is that equal to 0? No, we are not subtracting it. We are dividing it. So when we divide it, x square, 3 getting cancelled, we get 1 as the answer. So this is the correct one. This is a wrong way of writing 0. We are not subtracting 3x square from 3x square, right? So that we get 0. We are just dividing it. So we'll get 1. Next here is a 17th question. And it is giving us the value. So they are saying that it will be equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So let us solve it. 3x square upon 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square. What I have done, separated the numerators with denominator. So we get 3x square getting cancelled with 3x square. We get 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. So this is the correct answer. This is a wrong answer. Right? We cannot do just can cancel it. You cannot cancel it. 3x square cannot get cancelled with 3x square. You have to first separate them and then solve it. Clear? Like this you cannot, because 3x square plus 1, this is complete one value and 3x square is one value. There is a difference in between both of them. Now here also what they have done, they have cancelled 3x with 3x. Can that happen? That cannot happen. So this is a wrong way of writing it. This is the answer, 3x upon 3x plus 2. This can be only the answer, right? We cannot write it as equal to 1 upon 2. This will be as it is, right? We cannot cancel 3x with 3x like this. In question number 19, we have 3 upon 4x plus 3, or we have 1 upon 4 plus x. So this is completely wrong, because what they are doing is they are cancelling this 3 with 3. Can we cancel 3 with 3? No, because 4x plus 3 is complete one expression, one term, one value. 3 is another value. So 3 is one value, 4x plus 3 is another value. We cannot cancel like that, right? So this is wrong. It will be 3 upon 4x plus 3 only. Moving ahead. Okay, in these parts also they have done 4x is cancelled with 4x. Does that happen? No, this is wrong. We will write 4x upon 4x plus 5 upon 4x. they will get cancelled. 1 plus 5 upon 4x, this is the correct answer, this is wrong. Here also we'll write 7x upon 5 plus 5 upon 5, so this will be 1. 7x upon 5 plus 1, this is the correct statement. Only 7x is not the answer, we cannot cancel 5 with 5. Never do that. Okay.